So, Brian and Mike, this is a kind of a crude video I'm making for you. I'm going to send it to you by email, but this is showing you how we're making these axe handles. First, I recycled some old bed frames that I had saved for years, and I was able to cut these bed frames. I made a master shape. I sketched off a master shape and labeled it master, and then I traced all of these off into each of these pieces of wood here. And then, of course, I had to go over here and to the bandsaw, and using my bandsaw, I managed to cut all these shapes out into the shapes that you see now. Then once that's done, I come over, I take each piece individually, and I come over here to the vise, and I clamp this work in the vise, and I use various tools like this draw knife here, and which I have my blade set at a slight angle right here so it will smoothly roll through the wood. And then I also used some various rasps here that I used to shape the wood down, and so now we end up with a piece of wood that's now forming the nice smooth and round shape of the axe handle, and they're nice and round now. So then after this will be the process of sanding them down and then coating them so they don't splinter when the guys are using them in the Lonesome Polecat scene. So I just thought you'd be interested to see how it was coming and see how I was making them, and that it's progressing nicely. It's a pretty easy process. Once I get the pieces of wood cut, it takes about 30 minutes per axe handle to form the shape out of it the way it is. So I think they'll look pretty nice, and you can see they have the classic, let me get a profile shot here. You can see they have the classic axe handle profile shape. The head will be over onto the left side, and to the right side is the end of the axe handle. And of course there's going to be a little mortising joint that's put up here on the very end. I'll mortise this, and then I'll put a piece of a pipe sleeve that comes on here, which I have a lot of pipe sleeve left over from various projects, and then I'll put a sleeve on it, and then we can give it to Joe, and Joe can weld out the axe heads from those, either a double Jason type axe or a German style axe with just a single blade. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tried to make it entertaining, and you guys have a great day. Bye.